Hello guys, I know we left off with me getting the car from the dealership last night or a couple nights ago, but we are getting straight to some mods right now, but not any major mods, just like some, you know, nice like convenience mods. I actually spent my time earlier this morning taking off the original tint. There was 5% inside the car, but I removed all of the quarter window and the big glass back here. I removed it. And I think today we're gonna be installing some 35% ceramic on the car. I feel like 35 now is such a sweet spot for me. So yeah, we're gonna go install some tint on my new car.
Love your beats, AD.
ゆうげん、どこにいるの?
So guys, it has been a couple days since I've tinted the windows. You can see the difference between the tones right there. It isn't the darkest. I'm not really that type of guy that wants to do like 5% and like have it blacked out. So we have some plans going on for today with this car. We have 2 new tires in the rear, but unfortunately the fronts are pretty worn out, and I'll show you right now. We have Pilot Sport 4s in the rear. These are practically brand new. I think less than even like 500 miles, maybe even less than like 500 miles when I got it. I don't know when the last time the previous owners replaced this, but I don't know if you can see, but it's cracking, and that's pretty worrying, and it's pretty low on tread. So we're gonna go ahead and get these 2 fronts replaced today. Also, I'd like to mention that this is my brother's new car. Literally 2 days after I picked up my car, he picked up his. Pretty crazy. We are at Anaheim Wheel and Tire to get it done.
What's up, everyone?
I don't know how long it'll take, but I doubt it'll take long. It's just the 2 front tires, so we can go ahead and get it sorted. We got some Michelin Pilot Sport 5s on here. They do not match the rear, but honestly, I don't care. For some reason, they don't have Pilot Sport 4s anymore, and I'm not gonna get 4S's, so I just got Michelin Pilot Sport 5s. I mean, they'll do the trick. Very good. I'm gonna head back to the shop and get some more work done. Hey. Which one's a clutch? It's a clutch, right? I forgot, bro. Alright guys, it is a new day today, and we have my 86 in the garage, and we're going to be installing what you guys have all been waiting for, which is in the title of this video, is we're finally going to get a little bit of low. I literally owned the car for a little over a week now, and we're already starting to lower it. It's only been 1 week, but I can't stand looking at this monster truck ride height. RSR lowering springs. Supposedly it should drop it by 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So the car is not going to be too low, but it's going to be low enough to make a difference. Keep in mind, this video is no way a tutorial on how to install lowering springs on your car. There are a lot of other videos that will inform you. I'm just going to show you guys the process and the before and after of the car. So yeah, let's do this. Alright guys, I started at 4 or 3? It's 9. It's 9! Anyways, we finished. Probably not the smoothest install, but we got it done. But, I mean, they are lowering springs, you can't really expect much. I think I might know why it's a little high, because the rears are like perfect. Like that's a perfect ride height for the rear. My plan is to first like clean up because I'm really dirty, and then second off, I'm gonna go drive the car tonight and allow the springs to settle to see if the rears or the fronts drop. I just really hope the front drops a little bit more. Car's on springs. I'll see you guys in the morning. Hopefully it looks better in the morning. Hello everyone, it is now the next day and the car is fully sitting on the lowering springs and it looks amazing. Car just looks totally different now and it rides so much better and I just feel more badass driving it. So it's just a win all around. So we installed RSR Super Down lowering springs on the car. They advertised that they dropped the car from 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And I would say that it's about right. The reason why I decided to do lowering springs instead of coilovers first is because since it is a TRD edition, it comes with Sachs dampers already. And honestly, I love the ride on how it was stock. All I wanted was just a little bit more of a drop. And I was like, you know what, let's just do lowering springs then. I highly recommend doing this install with 2 people because first off, you get more help. And second off, you're probably gonna finish it a lot quicker than 5 hours. When I fixed the fronts today, it took me 1 hour to do. Only because like I knew what to do at this point, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it. I don't know, I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't even know how to conclude it. Gonna conclude today's video. We have finished the first round of mods that's gonna happen to the car. This is just only the beginning, so make sure you guys stay tuned for what's gonna happen next to the car. We just getting started out here. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ah!